Hello, my name is Addison Davis, and I'm the Superintendent of Schools in Clay County. I want to welcome you to this episode of Diving In with Davis. Today we're getting a chance to visit Middleburg High School, and in this we'll visit the great technical career pathway of automotive repair and automotive maintenance. These students get an opportunity to accomplish a number of industry certifications from auto repair, body shop, tires, brakes, you name it. They get a chance to live this and have great experiences to be able to go to the workforce. So let's dive on in and see what's going on in our classrooms. Now we're in the classroom that's automotive repair and collision. This is the only program that exists in Clay County District Schools. I'm here today with Mr. Jordan, who leads this work. He's been in Middleburg for 5 years and he's truly redesigned this program. Can you tell us a little bit about this program, what it offers, and what you've accomplished?
We offer ASC certifications. There's 4 possible certifications that they can earn. Paint and refinishing, non-structural, structural, and mechanical and electrical. Most of them last year, the seniors left here with all 4.
Wow.
These guys here, last year they obtained 2, so they'll get their final 2 this year.
Tristan, senior here at Middleburg High School. You've had an opportunity to have a great teacher in this classroom. What does this classroom offer for you?
It's given me, it started my experience in the automotive world. I came in this class not knowing how to paint, not knowing how to work metal, and now I'm working at a shop and I work metal. I know how to paint.
That's awesome. So, a lot of inquiry-based learning. You're getting ready a chance to dive in, sand, bond, fiberglass, paint, do a lot of cool things. How is this going to help you in the future?
It helps pay the bills. I mean, it's a career. It's an early start in a career. Not many people have this opportunity to get the jump, and we have. Awesome.
So the certification is going to help you do such great things in Clay County and or outside of Clay County, but more importantly, prepare you for the workforce. So excited about your future, excited about what this course offers. And again, this is another example that Clay County District Schools offers the best career technical pathways. Not only do we have automotive repair, but we also have automotive maintenance here at Middleburg High School. Mr. Allison has done great work in this school. We have over 100 students have attained industry certifications, and that's because the hard work they're doing to repair engines, to do tire changes, to do maintenance work, to rebuild ACs, to conduct alignments on cars. You name it, they get it done here. So Mr. Allison, thank you so much for what you do. What are some of the great things your students are doing every day?
Well, they're working on all aspects of the car. So whether it's brakes, whether it's basic maintenance, they're working on all aspects. And it depends on the grade level or the class level to depict what they're doing, because it's a stepping stone.
And employment ready, 103 industry certifications last year that you've done. That is awesome. It is pasted around the wall, and that just signifies your hard work. I can't thank you enough for what you do for our students. When we talk about the workforce, do the companies or corporations talk about their skill set and their readiness level after they leave Middleburg?
Sure. I mean, they'll always start out as an introductory type employee, but at the same time, they have a lot of those skill sets where they advance quicker than somebody that doesn't have these experiences.
Awesome.
And it dictates towards starting fast.
What are you working on right here?
Right now, we are measuring the runout on this rotor with the dial indicator.
Okay, and how did you learn how to do all this?
Mr. Allison had to teach me how to read the dial indicator by going by thousandths of an inch.
Okay. And, was it beneficial for you to understand how to do this, to create and understand the skill? How's it going to help you in the future?
I can go to any shop and they can ask me if I know how to do this stuff, and I can tell them that I've been certified and taught by Mr. Allison on how to do rotors and brakes.
Right, you've got an awesome instructor, great opportunities. What else have you been able to learn in this classroom that's going to help you down the road?
I've learned how to dismount and mount tires, balance them. I've learned how to rotate tires, all kinds of stuff. I've learned how to replace struts, springs, tie rods, all kinds of stuff.
Awesome, you heard it from Connor. This is the place to come. You want to learn how to dive into maintenance, repairs in schools for vehicles. This is a place where you can learn and you can grow. Thank you for our great instructors working hard every single day. Middleburg continues to be the standard as it relates to career technical certifications. And really thank you to Mrs. Alice Polk again and Mrs. Kelly Mosley. They're doing a great job with our instructors and preparing our children to be successful in the workforce. Look forward to you next time to look at our career technical education opportunities as we're doing great things in Clay County District Schools.